So in this episode we're doing something that everyone with a modified 1JZ should be doing, which is removing the factory J-pipe. It's that big clunky thing between the block and the turbo, which has factory recirculating valves and all sorts of weird stuff which can leak and cause issues and isn't good on a race car. So let's get stuck into it. So the J-pipe delete is done. And I did it the quick and dirty way, which is just to retain the factory piece and bung off the back there. But hey, the reason why you watch this channel is for cheap and dirty. And well, so dropped the car off at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Car was done by 5 o'clock. Everything welded well, everything fit nicely, and it cost me 2,000 Thai baht, which is about 58 bucks US. One thing I can say is that for stuff like manual labor, skilled manual labor like welding and pipe work, Thailand is amazing. It costs you at least 4 times that much in Australia. There we go, job done. Quick bath and a scrub. Obviously gonna have to air out all the coil packs and connectors and stuff. The car's not getting started, at least not today, and it's 40 degrees in Thailand, so we're not gonna have any waterlogging issues. Main reason for washing this engine bay really wasn't even to make it look good. It's just because if you've got a track car, you want to see if, where and what is leaking out of it. And when stuff's clean, it's a lot easier. I'd love to go matte black with the whole engine bay, but again, for race cars, that just makes it so much harder. And done. Not clean, but it's going to let me see anything that's leaking where it shouldn't be. Whole heap of water in the galleys, so very happy I blew that out. And that's a little sneak peek of what might be coming next. Yeah, job done.